Hello, my name is John Hoadley, and I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Casa Systems. At Casa Systems, we're focused on the innovations that power broadband networks. We deliver high efficiency, high capacity, high reliability, and differentiated services. Casa has realized that there is no reason that service providers who have wireline and wireless customers should have multiple core networks. They should have a converged and ultimately a 5G converged core. And that converged core will provide them not only efficiencies in terms of being able to share virtualized resources, that converged core will drive new revenue opportunities. New revenue opportunities through capabilities such as service-based architecture, network slicing, and these are all capabilities that were recognized in the 5G core standard. The 5G core standard has really been written for both wireless and wireline networks. Casa uses a disruptive suite of NFV software that we call the Axiom Ultra Broadband Cloud. The software has been designed to deliver high efficiency and flexibility. It's been designed for both wireless and wireline applications. And the software can drive NFVs that can service wireless and wireline customers. And what we'll be seeing in the demos is just the beginning of a couple of the convergence scenarios that we see are possible and that we can evolve to with the 5G core. So let's proceed to the demos. The first demo will focus on the efficient use of common virtualized resources. The diagram represents a service provider with both wireless and wireline customers. The wireless customers are connected via a virtual EPC, and the wireline customers are connected by a VBNG. In both cases, those virtual elements, VNFs, are controlled by a single Casa VMC, Virtual Management Controller. So on the screen you can see a graphical representation of the demo using Casa's VMC. You can see the virtual VBNG, which controls all the wireline subscribers, and then all of the other VNFs that make up the virtual EPC. So let's move on to the second demo. The second demo uses all the same elements as the first demo, but with a modified layout. In this scenario, a service provider is trying to backhaul small cell traffic. That traffic is transported over an optical link, and that optical link is controlled by a virtual BNG. The traffic ultimately connects from the small cell to a virtual EPC. Both the virtual BNG and the virtual EPC can be controlled by the same VMC so that the resources can be shared. Note that the virtual BNG can be replaced by a virtual CCAP if the service provider is a cable operator. Okay. The screenshot you're looking at shows the virtual BNG, and it shows the traffic for 2 subscribers. So to start this demo, we've initiated a 4G LTE data session over a small cell. So the data traffic, after going through the small cell, went over an optical link that was controlled by the virtual BNG and now has arrived at the home eNode B gateway. And this is a virtual network function that is part of the virtual EPC. Today we demonstrated 2 convergence use cases. And this is really a first step to a long-term path of delivering a fully converged 5G core. If you're interested in working on 5G-ready core applications and the path towards convergence, please contact us at casa-systems.com.